So the last thing we'll do is take a look at how to use GitHub to gain insight into student participation. And for that, we're going to take a look at an organization about teaching reproducible research using Jupyter Notebooks. And I'm going to go into this first repository. Well, from the main page, I can see that there are around 400 commits and 31 contributors, which is pretty great. And then if I click on the Insights tab here, I'll be able to see exactly what's going on. And I'm going to move right to this contributors page. I can see that there are consistent contributions and also see who is making them, which is pretty great. So imagine if you had students, 10 students working together on a project, you would be able to see who made the additions and deletions straight from this Contributors Insights tab. Then I'm going to take a look at the commits. And from there, I can see that the project is being pretty consistently worked on. And while neither of these things, the contributors or the commits, tell me that these are meaningful contributions per se, it's a great way to get insight about if your student groups are collaborating equally. So for our last exercise in this module, we're going to do a bit of exploring on github.com. And I'm going to ask you to find an active open source project and point to two pieces of evidence that the project is active. Those pieces of evidence can be how quickly the pull requests are reviewed. You can play with the data available in the Insights tab. You can take a look at how many forks the project has, or stars, or some other metric that you choose. And I'm going to ask you to take those two screenshots and then reflect on how you might use these insights to assess collaboration in group work.